Local news for Tuesday, the 5th of May. Regional Economic Development Minister Shane Jones says more than $48 million in loans from the Provincial Growth Fund will be pumped into regional projects that will help offset the impacts of COVID-19's pandemic. Wairarapa Water Community Storage has been allocated $7 million. Aratoi's Susanna Shabold is one of just 5 jury members to shortlist 21 projects for the 2020 Western Architecture Awards. The shortlisted projects were selected from entries in the awards program of the Western branch of the Te Kahui Whahinga New Zealand Institute of Architects. And New Zealand wine company Foley Wines is rewarding people for supporting local with the introduction of Foley Points, a rewards program with every purchase you make from Foley Wines Club earns you points in local dining, travel, fashion and experiences. Points can be spent on things such as accommodation at Wharikahau, wining and dining experiences at the home of Tikaranga, Martinborough Vineyard and Lighthouse Gin in Martinborough. And the Ministry of Education is improving the internal environments of up to 600 schools that are small or remote. Wairarapa schools are set to be upgraded and include schools from Morrisville to Piranoa. For local news, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.